Ben 10 Original here, and today we're going to be doing Nickelodeon slime. So here's the kit with all the stuff in it. So this is our little mat, so if anything gets on here, we'll go in the mat. So these are the instructions. I'm going to read them off so you can get this, so you can do slime. So we have clear slime glue, we have all these glitter things, but we're not going to use them because we just want to make regular neon green slime, like the one they show right here. We want it to look like that. So here it is. Here's our cup. We have a lot of sticks. Here's our slime stick and our measuring spoon. And clear slime glue, too. And slime activator, so it can make it all gooey and slimy. Now joining me today will be my dad. Say hi. Yes, that was my dad's hands. Thumbs up. So he's going to be putting all the ingredients in while I'm going to be saying the instructions. Measure 15 milliliters of clear glue using the supply measuring cup and pour it into a bowl. Scrape down the walls of the cup to get as much of glue out as possible. So just pouring that in. See? It's all of it. You're actually going to double it, so it'll probably be a little bit more slimy. So, yeah. I think we basically used almost all of this. Actually, no, there's just still a little bit more left. So we're just going to scrape it in to the bowl using our slime stick, which is just like a popsicle stick. So, yeah. And we have the choices. If we want to just do regular slime, we only have the choices of purple neon purple, or neon green. We chose neon green because it's like the original slime color. Next step. Measure 20 milliliters of water, room temperature, pour it into the same bowl as the glue. So we have a water bowl to put the cup in. There, I think that's good. 2, actually, we're going to dip it, we're going to put in the water 2 times. There. Now we are going to make it fun. Oop, too close. Make it fun. Choose your I don't know what that word is. Additive. Go neon and bright to make colored slime. Measure 1 spoonful of blah, 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 blah. So we're going to pour the neon color in. I don't know if we'll have enough, but I think we will. There's 1. There's 1. And scrape it in. There we go. And now we are going to put the rest in. There's 2. And that's pretty much all that's left in there. I think. Yeah, it's pretty much all. So we use the rest of the neon and it's in. So now, step 4, go bling to make bling slime. Add the whole bag of gems. Now, we're not going to do the gems part. So let's just go to step number 4. Stir the mixture of glue, water, and I still don't know how to say that word. Additive with the slime stick until fully blended. So we are going to stir it. Looks pretty weird, but it's going to be cool when it comes out. We're not going to put the gems in, so.
Step 5.
So, yeah, we're going to step 5. Measure 5 milliliters of slime activator solution and slowly pour it into the same bowl while stirring slowly the slime stick. Always use the slime sticks to stir. Do not stir with your hands. You will see the mixture get thicker and the solution will absorb. Stir until all the solution is absorbed. This can take some time. Keep stirring. So we're going to pour. So we're pouring the slime activator in. That is my dad's ringtone. It's Harry Potter. Yeah, the Harry Potter ringtone. Pretty cool. So, yeah, so we're just gonna pour the slime activator in and just keep on stirring.